Hello, I'm Dr. John Cianciola. I'm a periodontist. I'm board certified in implant surgery and periodontal surgery. I want to talk to you a little bit about the Resnik Implant Institute. I went through the Institute more than 20 years ago, and I've been back almost every single year to take more courses and do more training. It is the best training that I have ever had in my entire career. I learned more about surgery and how to do surgery from the Resnik Implant Institute than I did in my periodontal residency. The Institute gives the best A to Z information and knowledge to take skillful and competent quality care of your patients and to know the science behind what you're doing, not just follow a cookbook recipe. Dr. Resnik's training is unbelievable, and it's the best thing that's happened to me in my career. Thank you, Randy Resnik.